Folks, come on over. We're going to look at the fall garden one last time before it's all gone. Right here on My Take on Home and Garden. It's still very pretty. Folks, we thought you'd like to see the garden in the fall. One more time, our beautiful variegated Schefflera. And here is that lifesaver plant. So cute. We have arrowhead, begonia, and a lovely little mix of lifesaver and golden sedum. Still going, some of the geraniums, even with the heat. And we've been in the 90s all summer, and they don't like 90s. So they barely survive. Here is the sweetest. Look at this pink bromeliad. Our pink bromeliad. And here's some caladium coming up. Some elkhorn philodendron. Now I even forget this one, but it gets the little fuzzy flowers, and that is coming back from seed. So really fun to see that. And St. Michael. And our wonderful snow on the mountain bush. And our freesia. And St. Joseph. Saint to little children. And this is our fabulous sunset jasmine. Look at the natural colors in this. And this stays evergreen. And there's a blade of grass I missed. Our purple queen. And then our wonderful spiderwort that just loves to take off and loves the heat. We'll get back to that vinca. I wanted to show the Brazilian or Cuban buttercup and the croton behind it. Now these are sun-loving plants, because you can see the end of September that this plumbago is just blooming away. Here is our reseeded violet trumpet flower, and the vinca is reseeded itself also. The original plants of these I bought probably 10 years ago. That's so cool. And here's our double lavender. I call it violet. Double lavender angel trumpet. She's just going to keep growing and going to bloom like crazy here. The bloom isn't open yet, but luckily you could see it. Gorgeous rubber trees, and I have to contain them in a container. They will try to take over the earth, as some of you well know. Here's our wonderful walking iris from Linda in Davie, Florida. She can see her. Now I'm letting them walk, so to speak, into other pots so I can start another couple of pieces. Angela has a lot in the back, different ones, and that one is from Linda, a couple she sent, the yellow and the violet. This, of course, is our copper plant that frankly will grow into just about a tree, but more of a bush. Most people's copper plant is about waist high. And I wanted to show you, I always tease about the magnolia here. Ours grows these hand grenades, and they're seed pods, of course, and look at them go. Now they end up in the yard, and I have to rake them up and pick them up. The bougainvillea just blooms as long as it's warm all year. And then the red jatropha. Here is a mix of the three with the queen palm. And this butterfly was showing off, so I thought I'll get him a minute. There's always butterflies in the yard. This is Thryallis, and I almost lost it, but she is coming back with some food and mulch. And this is Firecracker Bush. And it's doing much better as well. There's your standard Schefflera, not variegated, but solid green, and our wonderful standard hibiscus in the typical red. Beautiful big. Here's our passion flower again. And as always, I like to show the temperature at the time I'm out here, so let's see if we can get it so you can see that. And this is starting to cool down now, so we're only at 90. Okay. This is a real surprise. Now there's a passion on the left, but up here these gorgeous, wonderful, from Linda, again, of Davie, Florida, her sweet pea vine, and we are nuts about it. Thanks again, Linda. Incredible violet color. And then here's your Gomphrena. And this is a Pandora vine. She's about 10 years old. And I let it grow up over our arbor where we have a little bistro table and bench and so on. And a tiny little bit of crepe myrtle left. They're almost done, so there's just a couple. Here's that variety of passion flower. Another invasive thing, so I have to stay on top of it. And it likes to grow underground and then pop up where you least expect it, but they're beautiful. And still, I can't even believe it, we have some white Sakuma still popping out in the garden. There's Neptune, and I was so happy with this, is Don Juan Rose. Wonderful, right by the Thunbergia. And then our honeysuckle, still blooming. Beautiful fall burnt orange. Here's the Thunbergia with its unique suede trumpet of a flower, and there's just a few left. Croton again. So folks, hopefully you could enjoy the garden tour today. Little different twist, a little more calm, peaceful, and hopefully beautiful. Give us a like, a share, a comment, send a friend over, and check out those stores. Hey, we just reloaded them again. Check it out, guys. Thanks a lot. See you in the comments on this amazing, awesome, talented, ultra wonderful decorator, designer, gardener, cook, and shopper video. See you soon.